Most people pick field service software based on popularity, not performance. And that is why so many end up switching tools after just a few months. Here's the truth no one tells you. Tradify and Jobber are both strong in 2026, but they are built for very different types of service businesses. Choosing the wrong one can slow down your entire workflow. In this comparison, you will see exactly how they differ in real use, so you can decide which one fits your business without guessing. Let's start with Tradify. Tradify is designed mainly for trade businesses that want a simple end-to-end job management system. It covers quoting, scheduling, job tracking, invoicing, and basic reporting in one clean workflow. A tradesperson like Jake can create a quote on site, schedule the job, and send an invoice without needing extra tools. It is built for speed and simplicity in the field. But here's the problem. While Tradify is efficient, it is more focused on internal job flow than customer experience features. So if your business relies heavily on marketing automation or advanced customer communication, you may find it a bit limited. Now let's look at Jobber. Jobber is designed with customer experience and ease of use in mind. It is very popular among small service businesses like cleaning companies, HVAC teams, and lawn care services. Everything is built to feel simple and modern. Quotes, scheduling, reminders, and payments all work together smoothly. Now here's where it gets interesting. Jobber really shines in client communication. A business owner like Alex can send automated appointment reminders, follow-ups, and payment requests without manual effort. That helps reduce missed appointments and improves customer satisfaction. But there is a trade-off. Jobber is less focused on deep operational control. If you are managing complex job workflows or larger multi-team operations, you may eventually feel some limitations compared to more structured systems. So how do they compare directly? Tradify focuses more on job management and trade workflow efficiency. It is great for technicians who want a fast, no-frills system to run their daily work. Jobber focuses more on customer experience, automation, and ease of use. It is better for businesses that want polished communication and simple setup. But here's what most people miss. The better software is not the one with more features. It is the one that matches how your team actually works in the field and in the office. So here is the simple decision guide. If you want a straightforward trade-focused system, Tradify is a strong choice. If you want better customer communication and a smoother interface, Jobber usually wins. The key takeaway is simple. Match the software to your workflow, not your expectations. If this helped you understand the difference clearly, like, comment, and subscribe for more comparisons like this.